Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes with Jock. Today we're going to draw a baby hippo, so follow along with me. As usual, we're going to draw the eyes, so we're going to draw two big round eyes like so. And let's draw another one here. There we go. So, and now we're going to just complete the eyes by drawing a little line down and another line like so. And of course we need some light reflection right here. That's right. And let's do it on the other side as well. So there you go. There's the light reflection. Now we're going to draw two lines up here and another one there. That's very good. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the nose. So the nostrils. So you're going to draw a line like that. Good. Let's extend it a little bit down like so, and from here you're going to draw another line like that, and you're going to come back like so. And for this one we're going to do exactly the same thing like there, and we can color it in. Perfect. That's absolutely perfect. And then this nostril, we can color it in as well. There we go. And the eyes. So let's color it in quickly. There we go. And we need this side as well. And for this eye, color in the eye as well. Good, there we go. And there's the eyes. Alright, perfect. And now from here we're going to draw the top of the head. So I want you to just draw a line going out like so. There we go. And then on this side we're going to do exactly the same thing, a line like that. Good. And now you're going to draw a little curve, and we're going to draw a curve here as well. And then from here we're going to draw the ear, so you're going to go up and over, down and like this. Good. And another one. There we go. And let's complete the ear. We're going to just draw a little line in there. Perfect. Now from this side we're going to do exactly the same. So we're going to go up like there, down like so, and back. And a little line like so. Good. And there's the other ear. And now for the side of the face of our hippo. So there's a little bump here. We're going to draw a bump. And on this side we're going to draw another bump as well. Good. And then from here I want you to draw a straight line like so. And then from there a straight line like that as well. Now that's going to be the mouth of our little hippo, so we're going to just draw a line like so. Beautiful. And from here we're going to draw another line like so. There we go. And there's our hippo's little mouth, and some circles here. It's just a few marks here on our hippo's nose. There we go. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the chin. So it's going to be a big chin like so, see, and then we're going to just continue with it right through like that. And some teeth. Yeah, two big beautiful front teeth for our little hippo. There we go. Perfect, perfect. And now the side of the neck. So from here under the ear I want you to go out, and I want you to go out here as well. Just about that distance. That would be just fine. Maybe curve it in a little. Yeah, curve it in like this. Perfect. And now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw this chest area. Now the chest area is going to be round like so. You done it? Good. And then you're going to draw another line like so, and you're going to draw another line like so. That would be the chest area. And then for the feet, we're going to draw a line and yet another line. There we go. There's two lines for our feet. And now for the feet. So you're going to draw down like so. Good. Follow me like that. Great. And this one you're going to do exactly the same thing. Down, up, and stop. Good. And now you're going to draw from here, you're going to draw a line in, and we're going to draw another line in like so. And now we're going to go out. So from here, you're just going to turn it and you're going to go down like so. Turn it out and go out like so. Great. And then a little crease and yet another crease. That's perfect. And now we're going to connect these two lines like so. Perfect. That's absolutely perfect. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the legs now. So we're going to draw a line going straight and yet another line going straight. Perfect. And now for the feet, we're going to just draw something like so, something like so. Perfect. And then we're going to just draw a line like so, a little crease, and from here we're going to do exactly the same thing. So we're going to just draw it out and we're going to go up. Okay, and then first we're going to draw a little foot like so, about the same, and then a little line and a little line like so. Perfect. And then a little crease. Now from up here I want you to draw a little line going up and down and down, and the same one here, up and down like so. And then we're going to just connect them. There we go. And there's our little hippo. We're going to draw the earth where our hippo sits on, and our little hippo needs a tail. So we're going to draw a little tail right here. There we go. That's absolutely perfect. And now for our hippo, I want you to do something. I want you to draw a line here and another line there. And then you're going to follow it up like so. And one going up like that. And then from here, I want you to draw another line like there. And we're going to do exactly the same thing there. This is going to be the different colors of our hippo. Our hippo is going to be pink and gray. So, and the now nose area. Let's just complete the nose here. I forgot to put in these lines. So there is a line. There is the other line. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw a straight line through like that. And on this side, you're going to draw a straight line like so. And another line like that. So this is going to be gray. This is going to be pink. Pink, 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 and everything else is gray for our little hippo. I think he looks absolutely perfect. He or she, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I think that's that. So let's write it right here. Write down hippo. Our little hippo. H-I-P and another P and O. That's great. And there we go. There's our hippo. Wonderful. It was a pleasure drawing with you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the like button. And I'll see you soon.